Welcome to post-production. This is the final stage of your project and where your video will finally come together.
Post-production is where you take all your video clips and your voiceover clips and you edit them together into the final video. Before we start editing, we have to make an important decision. What platform or app are we going to use to edit?
Charles, I think I have a few ideas about that. There are a lot of video editing programs to choose from, and they all have different strengths and weaknesses. For today's demonstration, we're going to edit with the free program iMovie on my iPhone. If you want to use a different program, that's fine. The principles and concepts discussed today will transfer over to your platform of choice. There are a lot of great resources on the internet that cover how to edit with other platforms, so don't be afraid to Google around if you get stuck on something. First, we're going to make things easier for ourselves by creating an album on our phone that has all of our clips in it. This will help us keep things organized when we get to work. Make sure you get rid of all the test clips that you've made so you don't clutter your workspace with clips you're not going to use. The album should only contain your good clips. Now I'm going to import my first clip into my project. You may notice that everything is moving quite fast on screen. That's because I've sped up the footage of me editing for the sake of this demonstration. Don't worry, there's no expectation that you can edit this quickly. I'm going to start with this long clip of Charles talking to the camera. This clip contains both the beginning and end of our video, so I'm going to go ahead and start trimming out the parts I want to keep. Once I've finished trimming and cutting this clip, I'm going to find and import my VO clips next. I'll do the same process as before, where I cut and trim the clip down to just the parts I want to keep. Depending on where the VO clip imported into my editing timeline, I may have to move some pieces around to get everything in the right order. It's a great idea to have your script nearby while editing. The script can tell you how things should go together in case you've forgotten or need clarification. Now that I have all of my dialogue edited together from start to finish, I can begin to add my B-roll clips. I'm going to go find one of my B-roll clips and import it into my timeline. Once the clip is in my editing timeline, I'm going to trim it down to just the part I want to use, and then move it to the part of the video where I want it to appear. Our goal is to cover up all of our edits as best as we can, and when appropriate, add some B-roll footage to help emphasize what Charles is saying. I'll continue this process of importing B-roll clips, trimming them down, and putting them in the right spot of the video until I'm happy with what my edit looks like. This is the part of the editing process where you can really show off some of your creativity. Every once in a while, it is a good idea to go watch your video from start to end to see where maybe there are some gaps you can tighten up or extra spots for B-roll clips you haven't used yet. Once you're satisfied with your video, you can go ahead and start the final part of the editing process, exporting the video. Make sure to watch your video one last time before exporting. You might notice something that you forgot to take care of. Once you begin the exporting process, it will take a bit of time to save the video, so relax, take a break. And that's it. You've successfully exported your final video. Congratulations, it's finally done. That was a lot of work. You should feel really accomplished.
We hope that you've enjoyed making your first Breakfast and Beyond video today. What we covered in terms of video making was really just the essentials. We hope that you can take this information and these skills to make your own videos, and we look forward to seeing your work out there someday. Say, Matt, I'm feeling kind of hungry.
Well, Charles, I have all this yogurt parfait laying around that we could eat.
That sounds like the parfait way to end this video.